Thank you for purchasing the Living Hinge wine dispenser from Northgate Laser Creations. We are a family-owned business, and my dad makes all of the creations himself. And when I tell you that I use this absolutely every single day, I'm not lying. So this is how you can store it when you're not using it. And when you're ready to put your wine in, you take it out of the stand. And this makes a nice stand. Lay it on its side, and this is where you will open the dispenser from. And you can take almost any box of boxed wine, open the cardboard box, and you're going to pull the entire bag out. And that's what's going to sit in your wine dispenser. Once you have it in there, make sure you hold the dispenser out so it fits right in the circle. And then you're just going to push it all together and slide down the grape hinge so it locks, and set it on your stand.